What will your job look like in 2026? It's a question on everyone's mind, especially with AI changing the game so fast. Many people are worried, and it's understandable. We've all heard the headlines about AI taking over jobs. And yes, it's true that roles involving repetitive tasks, like data entry or basic customer service, are at risk. But here's the thing everyone's missing. For every job AI displaces, it's creating brand new opportunities, and these new jobs pay incredibly well. Think about it. Just a few years ago, did anyone have AI prompt engineer on their resume? Now it's one of the hottest, highest-paying careers out there. People who know how to talk to AI, how to guide it to get the best results, are earning six-figure salaries. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. The secret isn't to fight against AI, but to learn how to use it as a powerful tool. The world is splitting into two groups, those who are afraid of AI and those who are using it to get ahead. Which side do you want to be on? The ones left behind, or the ones shaping the future and building serious wealth? Learning to master AI tools is no longer optional. It's the single most important skill you can develop for your career and financial future. Imagine being able to automate the boring parts of your job, freeing you up to focus on creative, high-impact work. Imagine launching a side hustle that uses AI to serve clients around the world, earning money while you sleep. This is the reality for people who are taking action today. The opportunities are massive, but the window to get ahead won't be open forever. The best time to start learning about AI was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Don't let fear hold you back from a future of financial freedom. Start learning, start experimenting, and start applying AI to your goals. The 2026 version of you will thank you for it. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We're going to be exploring exactly how you can use AI to build your wealth step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.